So I had a bunch of these 18650 battery cells laying around after a few projects that I had going on. I've been trying to find a way to repurpose them and make them usable with as little effort as possible. So I looked into it and I found some PowerBank shells, which I ordered from AliExpress. These guys. In my opinion, they look nice. Small, handy, easy to carry in a backpack or have it in your car. Take it with you on trips, camping, stuff like that. You got 2 ports for charging your devices. You get a wireless charger for your phone and a flashlight and different plugins for charging the device. It takes 16 18650 batteries and they are all wired in parallel inside the unit. It's just like putting batteries in a flashlight, basically. What you need is the raw cells with a flat head. You can't buy your cells with a positive end sticking out. They won't fit. So flat-headed raw cells. If you're not using new cells, you should do a capacity test. And inside of this one there is 16 2.5 amp hour cells wired in parallel, which gives me a total of 148 watt hours. Now that's easy to calculate. If one cell is 2.5, you multiply it by 16, gives you your amp hours. Take your amp hours, multiply by the nominal voltage, which is 3.7 on these guys. And there we go. I've been using this for a couple of weeks. Just kept it in my backpack. It seems like the cells are a good fit inside. There's no shaking going on inside. Once you get the back mounted, there's 6 screws. And of course you can change your cells if you need to. Yeah, nice thing. I'll leave an affiliate link down below if you want to check it out. Do with it what you like, I guess. Handy little thing. And to get something usable without welding or soldering or connecting different parts, all you do is order this thing. It's really cheap and it's basically no work. So if you got some cells laying around and you want something simple and usable, go for it.